Hello again and welcome back. In this video I'm making this lady resin jewellery stand. I've already coloured in the 3D details with a permanent black marker. So that's that done. You didn't need to see me do that off camera because it's just pretty straightforward. And then I've mixed up my resin and I've added some green glitter and I separated it and made a little bit of pink. So I'm starting off by filling up the base first, and I will leave that like that for now. And then what I'm going to do is quickly just go around the edge with a cocktail stick. Okay, now moving on to the actual stand part of the mould. And what I'm going to do with the pink is there are random flowers dotted around this mould, up the top, like one down the bottom there and a couple up the top. So I'm going to pour some of the pink into the flower part, and then like that, and then the green, because I don't want the pink coming out and I don't want the green going in. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be going backwards and forwards between the pink and the green resin. They're actually both glittered resin. There is no pigments in this, so it's just clear resin with a ton of glitter in it. And we'll just keep going like so, and then we'll add some more resin to these. And because these are smaller flowers, it's easier to just add bits at a time from the little popsicle stick that I'm using. And I was going to do some green resin there, but then I thought I'd fill in all the 3 flowers on that part and then add the green around that. It's definitely a unusual colour combination, but they look so pretty together. And then I'm just going to finish off doing that on the other side, and then spritz it with some isopropyl alcohol, blitz it quickly with my clicky lighter, and then leave it to dry and come back and unmold it. Okay, so it's been a few minutes for you, but it's been overnight for me, and this is completely dry and time to unmold. And just pop those out of there like that, and look at that sparkle. Absolutely gorgeous. Now this is going to be a bit of a struggle because they're flowers, and like you can see the little dots there, so that's like to hang earrings through the little loops. So we've just got to gently pop them out, because one, I don't want to break the resin, because you know you can see it's like thin like branches from a tree, and 2, I don't want to rip or tear my silicone mold. And it's a bit awkward, but we will get there. Once you get it going, it's easy to just pop. And almost done. Turn it around. The last few bits, and there we go. So that is the back. And now once we turn it over, ta-da, you can see where the black that I put on those parts lifted off with the resin, so it hasn't stayed in the mould. And then she just sits in her base like so, and all finished. So thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.